Before we start, please visit our homepage in the description and copy the questions, paste them somewhere, like Word, Notepad, so you can read them first. Previewing questions is one of the IELTS exam strategies, as well as in other English exams. First, you have some time to look at your questions. Now, listen carefully and answer the questions.
Hello, and welcome to today's talk on semiconductor technology. Semiconductors are essential components in almost all modern electronics, from smartphones and laptops to cars and medical devices. But what exactly is a semiconductor, and why are they so important? Semiconductors are materials that have electrical conductivity between that of a conductor, like copper, and an insulator, such as rubber. The most common material used to make semiconductors is silicon. This element has special properties that allow it to control the flow of electrical current. The development of semiconductor technology began in the mid-20th century with the invention of the transistor in 1947 by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley. This invention led to the development of integrated circuits, which allowed for the miniaturization of electronic devices. One of the key characteristics of semiconductors is their ability to be modified through a process called doping. Doping involves adding small amounts of impurities to the semiconductor to change its electrical properties. This enables the creation of components like diodes and transistors, which are used to control the flow of electricity in circuits. Another significant breakthrough in semiconductor technology came with the invention of the microprocessor in the 1970s. A microprocessor is a small chip that contains millions of transistors and performs all the computing tasks in a computer. This innovation revolutionized the computer industry and paved the way for the development of personal computers. In recent years, semiconductor technology has continued to evolve with advancements in materials like gallium nitride and silicon carbide, which are used in high-performance applications such as electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. As the demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient devices grows, the semiconductor industry will continue to be at the forefront of technological innovation. Without semiconductors, much of the technology we rely on today simply wouldn't exist.